just going to quickly try filming from another window, because as you can see I've got a blooming pole right in the middle of where I want to film from. But fortunately there's a gap there now because somebody's had a tree removed. It's only in the last few years I've been able to see that. But anyway, let's see if I've got a better angle from. Yes, I do. I have to film through a window, I think, but let's see. Oh no, there we go. I can open the window. Yes. Ow. Right. As you can see, it's pitch black. It's also a cloudy day, so it's very like a whitish cloud, really low everywhere. And obviously, because I'm so far away from where this is actually happening, I can only see the stuff that gets to a certain height. Obviously, way above house height, these ones would have to be. I filmed the entire 2014 Cambridge fireworks, so have a look through my YouTube account to find out. Oh, that's nice. If you want to see the entire, I think it's about 17-minute display last year. Oh, that's a nice one. And I read on Twitter on the Cambridge News account that the fun fair has been cancelled because a woman got run over by one of the lorries delivering some of the dodgems. It sounds like she tried to get past a lorry that was backing onto the site and went under the lorry's wheels, the silly woman. I mean, how can you miss a lorry of that size? Well, you can't, that's the whole thing. She tried to get past it, got run over, so stupid. And if it wasn't her fault, then obviously I apologise and I'm sorry for you, but it sounds as though it was the woman's fault. So that's 5 minutes I've been filming, so it should be about another 10 minutes or so. Well, that's nice. I like those ones. They're really, really bright flashes when they go off and white. Yeah, they're very pretty, those ones. Oh, lovely. In case you're wondering how much I need to be zoomed in, I'll tell you when there's next to firework. I'll tell you how much zoom I'm using. And I'll have to use Google Earth to measure how far away I am, but I'd estimate I'm at least a couple of miles away from where this is going off. But because I've got such a good camcorder, I can actually see what's going on when the fireworks get to a certain height. All the low level stuff obviously I won't be able to see. There we go, right. Zoom in, whoa. Okay, that is currently, that was 22 times zoom just then, and I've got the potential to do 90 times zoom, so I could go a lot further in if I wanted. That's 45 times zoom, but then you see they're not going to fit on the screen, so I'm going to zoom out again a bit. Oh, that's a beauty. Love that one. Very nice. Oh, that's lovely as well. White and blue, that's really nice. So that should be about the halfway point. That's 7.5 minutes I've been filming. Sorry about the delay, folks, but there's nothing I can do about that. I can't, and as I said, obviously, because of the distance, I can't film anything that's low down. All I'd be able to get on this camcorder is stuff that goes above house height, and it's probably way higher than house height. This is probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 stories up, I would say. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Oh, lovely. That's 37 times zoom at the moment. And my arm, this is a workout on your arm muscles. I've been holding the camcorder up for 9 minutes non-stop in the same position, trying to keep it steady, and after a while your muscle just starts to go tight. So coming up to 9 minutes, I would estimate there's still about another 6 minutes to go. I'm just going to zoom out a bit, because just so you can see the flashes in the sky in the distance. Well, a bit of a break, folks. I'm sorry, they must be doing a lot of stuff that's low down. But I'll carry on filming. I don't want to make it end up in 2 videos or anything like that. So. That's a big one. I wonder how much these fireworks cost. You know, each of the individual big ones that they set off, I wonder how much they each cost. No idea. I like those ones that sparkle really white. That's 11 minutes I've been filming now. So, if it's the same length as it was last year, there's still maybe another 5-6 minutes to go. Whoa, that's beautiful. orange and blue. Oh wow, that is really nice. Look at that, that is so pretty. Oh yeah, beautiful. When you're at the fireworks, they come around with buckets asking for a donation, so most people chuck in a couple of quid sort of thing. Well, not most people, some people. And I think the council gets some sponsorship from some businesses as well. Got no idea how much it costs for the entire fireworks to be put on. 10,000, maybe, something like that. It must be quite a lot of money. And last time I was there, I could see it's all run by computers. Computers do the timing of everything. I could see a laptop in the middle of a field. I zoomed in, you can actually see the program that was running everything. So all the fireworks are set off by timers run from computer software. These ones are a lot lower level. You can see they're only just coming up above the roof height. And these ones are much higher. That's more like it. That's what I need. I need the ones that go really high. That's currently 62 times zoom because those ones are low down. I'll have to zoom in more. That one's going high. Yeah, nice. That's 20 times zoom. Now I'm actually going back to 12 times zoom because these ones are really high. This looks like they kind of do a frenzied ending when they just let off loads in succession. They really burn up a lot of money. Look at that. Awesome. That's 14.5 minutes. I don't think I missed anything at the start, so getting close to the end, if that's not the end. That's coming up for nearly 15 minutes, so last year, like I said, it was about 17 minutes, the entire display. Yeah, I'll give it one more minute and then I'll stop this recording. So 15 minutes exactly I've been recording. That's 15.5 minutes. Okay, so I reckon that was it then. That was the finale. So it seems like it was shorter than last year, unless I missed a tiny bit at the start. Those other fireworks, that's just someone having a private display nearby. So that's it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the 2015 Cambridge fireworks as filmed from 1 or 2 miles away in Cambridge. Hope you enjoyed that. Click like if you liked it. Subscribe to me. And have a look through all my other thousands of videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.